Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about different scenario. So please try to watch all my previous videos like SQL Server development, performance tuning, and SSIS along with Power BI plus DAX so that you'll get more understanding in different technologies. Now you'll go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'll try to explain each and every step what I've done here. So before getting the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported to design this report on. So dim customer, dim geography, product, sales territory, dim date, category, subcategory, internet sales. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact table. So understanding the relationship, it's very important in Power BI. We'll try to see that is also. Just click on model, collapse these two, scroll down. Now we can see that already I have enabled the relationship between the dimension tables and fact tables. For example, if I place the mouse over here, you can see that based on that product key column, I have enabled the relationship between the dim product and internet sales. Even you can understand what kind of direction it is. It's like one direction to many direction. It means that a filter propagation flowing from the dimension table to the fact table. Likewise, I have enabled the relationship between the dim product and internet sales. So we can see that in upcoming sessions, all kind of possible options that are available, we'll try to discuss. For timing, we'll try to understand today's report design only. Just click on report. Now we can see that. So this is the chart and this is the slicers. So this is the region wise and this is the total profit. So for getting these values like a total profit, sales and tax amount, I have created a separate table. So I'll try to show that. Go to the data column, just click on dynamic table. Now you can see that total sales, total profit, total tax amount. So I have created this table for using the slicer purpose. So here, based on icon selection, based on the selection, I am going to display the different charts. For example, if I click on the bar chart, means we are displaying the bar chart values. If I click on table, means table. If I click on the line chart, means so it's getting displayed dynamically. Okay, for example, if I click on here bar chart, we are displaying data in the bar chart for the total profit. So in total profit, if you don't want, we can select total sales, total profit, total sales. You can select anything, it works. In case if you want to see the data in the table format, we can select table. If you want to see the line chart, we can see. You can select anything automatically. We are displaying based on the selection. You want to see the bar chart or table or line chart, which one we want to see, we can select. Based on that, we are getting the displaying data here. So this is the bar chart, this is the table, this is the line chart. Okay, even you can select anything, it works. Okay, we can select a region, whether you want to see the region Australia or Canada, France, United. So we can select anything, it works here also. Whether you want to see the total sales or tax amount, profit, line chart or table also. So, okay, so likewise I have designed the report and all. So I'll try to show different measures I have used in this report design. Go to demo measures. Now you can see the total tax amount. So try to zoom it so that we can see clearly. So tax amount, I have used the sum x calculate function for getting the total sales. Same functions except column name is getting different. For total sales, I have used the sales amount column. For the profit, I have used the profit column. For tax amount, I have used the tax amount column. So for getting the title, so already explain how we are getting the dynamic data, even so how the values are changing based on the selection. Even I explained the last video, so please try to watch so that you'll get more understanding. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Stay tuned in other videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.